Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, my working day in the office, like so many people, no doubt in other office environments, consists of working on my computer, my laptop, my mobile phone. In terms of how I feel at the end of the day, sometimes if I've been looking at my mobile phone a lot during the day, I can sometimes get some neck pain. Based on that dynamic, like so many others, what type of chair would you recommend?
Most people use a range of different activities and postures as part of their working day. And it's important they know how to choose a chair and adjust a chair to suit those different tasks. If they're doing a lot of computer work, we try and set them up in what we call optimum posture. Optimum posture is with your attention forward, reaching your keyboard and mouse, and easily being able to see your screen. It needs a posture of about 5 to 10 degree forward tilt at your thighs, about 5 to 10 backward tilt of your trunk so you're supported by your backrest. A total angle between the thighs and the trunk of around 110 degrees. If you're then able to go into presentations or meeting situations or perhaps even a long telephone call, that gives you the opportunity to open out the angles, to help your breathing, to transfer more weight onto your backrest and give your postural muscles a little bit of a break. When you go back to your computer posture, you want the chair to follow you while still giving you back support. A dynamic intelligent synchro chair will able to do that for you and follow you through those tasks. When you're looking at your phone or your iPad, where very close visual attention is required, you might want to put that on a more raised surface that's closer to your eye level to reduce the amount of neck strain while you're looking at that.
Thanks, Andrew. Please stay tuned for our next ErgoTalks update.